Hello students, in this video we will discuss some problem from exercise 8a. So let's start. Exercise 8a, question number 5 is given here. Question number 6. Question number 5 not need to do. Let's see question number 6. Question number 6 is given here. Find the value of x if log x base 3 is equal to 0 given. So firstly, you have to convert this logarithmic form to exponential form. So how to convert exponential form? Just withdraw this log and the position of x and 0 will be interchange. Then it will be 3 to the power 0 is equal to x happen. So x is equal to anything to the power 0 means 1. It will be 1 happen. So this is our answer. Now let's see another one. Question number 3. So question number 3 is given here. Log 243 base 9 is equal to x. So again you have to convert this logarithmic form to exponential form. So this will be 9 to the power x is equal to 243. Now to the LCM of this 243. So this will go with 3. 3 is 24 and 3 1 is 3. Again this will go with 3. 3 2 is 6. 3 7 is 21. Again 3. 3 9 is 27. Again 3. 3 3 is 9. So how many 3 is there? 1 2 3 4 5 3 is there. So you can write this 9 as 3 square whole to the power x, and this 243 you can write 3 to the power 5. Now we know that x to the power m whole to the power n, it means x to the power mn. Now you can write this one as 3 to the power 2x is equal to 3 to the power 5. Now if you compare in both sides, you will get here 2x is equal to 5. So x will be here 5 by 2 happen. Now go to next problem, question number 6. So question number 6 is given here. Log 2x square minus 1 base 7 is equal to 2. So what to do here? Firstly you have to do in exponential, you have to convert in exponential form. So this will be nothing but 7 square is equal to 2x square minus 1. So 7 square means 49 is equal to 2x square minus 1. If this minus 1 go to that side, this will be 50 happen. So 50 is equal to 2x square. So x square is equal to 50 divided by 2 means 25. So x is equal to plus minus 5 happen. In this way you can solve left of the problem in question number 6. Now go to question number 7. So question number 7 is given here. Evaluate this. So you have to evaluate logarithm 0.01 in the base 10. So take this value as x. So you have to find out the value of x from here. So you have to convert this logarithmic form to exponential form. So this will be nothing but 10 to the power x is equal to 0.01. So 10 to the power x is equal to 0.01 means 1 by 100. So it will be 10 to the power x is equal to 1 by 10 square, and 10 to the power x is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 happen. So if you compare in both sides, you will get here x is equal to minus 2. Now go to next one. Question number 5. So question number 5 is given here, log 8 base 16 is equal to x. So if you withdraw this log, then you will get here 16 to the power x is equal to 8. Then 16 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that means 2 is there 4 times 2 to the power 4, then whole to the power x, and here it is 8 given, so 8 means 2 to the power 3. So it will be 2 to the power, we know that x to the power m whole to the power n, that means x to the power mn. So it will be 2 to the power 4x is equal to 2 to the power 3. So if you compare in both sides, it will be 4x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 by 4 happen. In this way you can solve question left of the problem in question number 7. Now look at question number 9. And question number 9 is given here, given log x base 2 is equal to m, and log y base 5 is equal to n. Now you can write this one as, if you convert this to exponential form, you will get 2 to the power m is equal to x, and if you convert this one as the exponential form, you will get 5 to the power n is equal to y. Now in question number 1 is given here, express 2 to the power m minus 3 in the term of x. So 2 to the power m minus 3 is given, you have to convert these two in the term of x. So you can write this one as 2 to the power m by 2 to the power 3. Why? Because we know that a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So this portion is given, you have to go that portion. Clear? Reverse process. So 2 to the power m means x, and 2 to the power 3 means 2 multiply 3 times, that means 2 into 2 into 2, that will be 8 happen. So this way you can solve question number 9 problems. Thank you everyone.